So I got this Grenaro wireless microphone from Amazon, and apparently it's the best-selling microphone on Amazon under 1,000 rupees. So if you're a content creator or YouTuber or a reel creator, this is a go-to mic as a starter pack to get started with your content game. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. So yeah, this is it. As you can see, here is your mic. As we can also call it the transmitter, and here is the receiver. So the receiver comes with the type C connector, which connects to your mobile or your laptop, where the audio input will be there. And this is the mic itself. It comes with an windshield fur filter. And let's check out the other things on in the box. So here is the documentation. No one reads it, and this seems like the warranty card. And here is the charging cable. Okay, this also come with the normal filter also, which you can replace with this fur one. So these are all the things in the box. So let's just check out how you connect with a device. So I got my laptop here. So you can also connect with any of the devices, be it an Android, an iOS, or laptop being a Mac or any Windows system. It just has to be the USB-C type, and your device has to be supported or OTG supported. So let's just turn this mic on. So behind the mic, you can see the switch. You should press and hold the switch to turn this on, and you can see the LED blinking, which means it is in the pairing mode. And if we connect it with a device, I'm connecting with it with my Mac, and as you can see, both lights stop blinking and it's now stable, which means it is connected. And let's just talk about all the other LED symbols. So this is for a mute symbol, which you can mute this mic by double pressing the button behind. So as I press it twice, this mic goes mute. And this is for the charging one, which and the charging is low, it will start blinking. And this also comes with an active noise cancellation, which you can turn it on by pressing it once. So if I press it once, as you can see, it blinked once. So it's on the level 1 of active noise cancellation. It comes with the 3 level of active noise cancellation. So you press it another time, it will blink twice, and which it will tell you that now it's in the second level of noise cancellation. And now it's if I click again, now it's in the third level of noise cancellation. So yeah, these are all the things. So yeah, let's check out how the audio quality is in real time. Okay, so this is how the audio quality looks without the mic. I'm standing on the terrace, so it will be pretty much windy. The wind noise will be there, and behind this there's a road, so all the vehicle honking and vehicle noises will be also there. So now let's try it with the mic. Okay, so now I'm holding this Grenaro wireless microphone, and the audio is coming from the mic itself, and the audio will be pretty much noticeable because all the noise will be cancelled and all. And it also has 3 level of noise cancellation. So let's just try all the levels of noise cancellation. So let me turn on the level 1. Okay, so now this is on the level 1 noise cancellation. Let's switch to level 2. Okay, so now it's on the level 2 noise cancellation. Let me know how the noise cancellation is working on this Grenaro mic. And there's there's road, all the honking is also there. So check out all how the noise cancellation is working, and let's go for level 3. Okay, so now this is on the level 3 noise cancellation. It will be pretty much cancelling all the noise. Okay, so this is how the audio seems like on the mic. Okay, so this is it for the review and unboxing for this Grenaro mic. And this is a great starter pack for you to get started with the content game, because hey, we are into this creator economy and everyone is trying to make some content. And if you're trying to make some content, you better get some good quality of audio, because bad quality won't look good in your videos and will drop all the engagements. So in my opinion, this is a very good quality audio compared to just normal audio of your phone or your camera.
And the charging hour of this device is also pretty good, because I had a whole hour of meeting, and then since I'm using this when it came out of the box, so still I have some 2 or 3 hours of, and it's of use, and it's still on working, and it's the charging is still not blinking. So it's pretty good, and you can charge it with your seat, with a C type cable, so you can use it any good cable. And so yeah, this is it. And so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and till then, tata, bye bye, outro.